Gallery Home Company is a furniture company located in Huizhou, Guangdong. Our factory has more than 30,000 square meters and 200 employees. The engineers study before production. We develop living room, dining room, and bedroom furniture. Our goal is to offer our best service to our customers. Nice design, nice price, nice service.